In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a preview pane in Outlook. This feature is incredibly handy for quickly scanning through your emails without needing to open each one individually. So let's dive right into it and make email management a bit more efficient for you. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of your Outlook window. Enter your email address and your password. This step is crucial because you need access to your account settings to proceed. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to open your settings. This is your gateway to customizing the look and functionality of your email interface. After opening the settings, you'll want to focus on the reading pane options. Scroll down until you see this section. It's here where you can fine-tune how your emails are displayed. The reading pane settings allow you to decide how you want your emails organized and previewed. This can save you time and streamline your email checking process. Now you have a couple of choices on how the emails can be organized. You can choose between having the newest emails at the top or the bottom of the list. Selecting newest on top means whenever you receive a new email, it will appear right at the top of your preview pane, making it the first thing you see. On the other hand, opting for newest on bottom pushes your latest emails down the list as they come in. This choice is purely based on your personal preference and how you like to manage your inbox. After you've made your decision, it's important not to skip the save step. Scroll down and click on the save button. This will ensure that all the changes you've made are applied. You should see your inbox layout adjust to reflect these new settings immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up the preview pane in Outlook. This small change can significantly improve your productivity by letting you quickly skim through emails and keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Give it a try and see how much easier managing your emails becomes. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy your new streamlined Outlook experience.